Hi, welcome back to my channel. I've received a couple of messages concerning the fact that you guys are unable to download the demo content for our ongoing e-commerce project. So this video is going to teach you a way around getting the same template so that we can proceed. Before we continue, I want you to create a whole new WordPress installation. When you are done logging, so go to plugins and go to add new and search for a plugin called All-in-One WP Migration, this particular one, and install it. You may need internet access, so make sure your computer is connected to the internet. So when it's done, activate it. And also, I've added a link below this video, so check the link and download it. When you're done, there is another plugin in it that we would want to install, so you go to add new, then you go to upload, choose, and then from where you have downloaded the files to, look for this particular plugin. It's called All-in-One WP Migration File Extension. So you click on that and you open and you install. It's quick and it should not take long to get it installed. Then you activate that one too. When it's done, then you would see this here. So you click on import, then you come to import from, then you choose file, then you locate this particular one too. It's also in the link, localhost blah 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 blah. So you click on that one too and you open it, and you give it time for the importation to be done. Great. So when it's done, you see this particular screen, so you click on finish, then let's refresh the page. So you log in again, then let's visit our site. Beautiful. So this is the template we are using, and I'm sure you can proceed from here. Cheers.